You gonna give us a tour of this place?
I don't know that much about it.
You have the keys.
But it's open from 1 to 3. And
This is thrill.
The CC camps was formed. You can get a lot of this information off the wall here. And there were every state in the United States is all up there. You might want to find New York up there.
Why?
Since you from New York. You know.
Like, we really give a rat's ass. No, okay.
This gentleman right here, John Durden, he worked with CC camps when he was 17 or 18 years old. Then he spent 26 years in the Army. And he started this thing. He went all over the country getting people to give him this stuff. And he brought it here and built this Vogel. And the Vogels gave this land. They were a family that moved here, and they were in the bark tanning business. And they cut the trees and tanned the bark and shipped it out of here. So when they got through with all that, they gave this land to Georgia and made a park out of it.
I thought you said you didn't know that much.
Don't get him embarrassed, they'll blush.
But John Durden is the one. He'll be here this weekend, and you can read about it right here.
Is he a storyteller?
Yeah, he can really tell you about all these tools. I know what some of them are, but you know, right over here is the bed they slept on. This was their trunk they kept. They had.
Personal belongings.
This man right here, Franklin D. Roosevelt, started it. But this lady right here, Miss Frances Perkins, and I think she was from, if I'm not mistaken, I believe she was from Massachusetts. But she formed all this, the CC camps, and got them started.
Wow. So it takes a woman.
They made $30 a month. They got 25 of it.
Wow,
They got 5 of it, and they buy their supplies, like the back of their old Prince Albert can. And that's their trunk they had. This is the bed they slept on. This is the uniform they wore. Right here. Right here's one of the uniforms that they wore. And they got $30 a month. They sent $25 of it home for their families. And they kept 5. This was formed in 1933 because everybody all over the country, everywhere, all states was in a bad depression, and Roosevelt thought it would be a good thing. That's where all the CC camps were, and all the states.
It says, do not touch.
Yeah, that's the old telephone.
Looks like a face.
I can't see it.
There's Peekskill, New York. Oh yeah, Peekskill, New York, there at the top.
First one on top.
Okay. There's another one. Sell us something.
Norfolk Field.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
West.
Side
Oh, there was about four in New York State.
Oh yeah.
But there's a lot of good stuff.
What's your name? We've got to know your name.
Troy Sewell.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm one of the volunteers here at Vogel. So if you want to know more, come back when somebody's here. But all this old stuff over here they use, you know. And there's a 1933 hire saw on top of the building out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, honey, register us in that book over there. Larry already did.
This is a matic. This is right here's
I just registered me. I didn't
a
know
log
anything.
roller. You hook that in the log and you roll it.
Wow.
This is a fire thing, put out fire with. So there's a lot of stuff here. They use this right here to bore a hole in the wood. That was a man, you know. This is an old anvil right here.
Let's go ahead and pull hot stuff out.
This up here is a 2-man log carrier. You pick that up, you know, and
Well, Tommy, he could probably do it by himself.
yeah, he's probably right.
Larry, look.
Yeah.
We got this for sale. Look at, I got
Yeah.
sweet potato kugel.
Oh yeah.
Right
Breakfast
here's
potato
some.
casserole, $3 a book, right?
Right,
Woo!
For sale?
right here's some. It's free.
$5?
What a bargain.
Everybody take one of these.
This place is too
Oyster
cool.
bowl. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
And the locals are really friendly.
Take one for you.
Take one from my hubby.
Yeah. You might want to give some.
That's my hubby. But
That's
we'll give
your
it. We'll give
Yeah,
it to
that's
his
her hubby. We're all related here anyway. We share like, you
hubby.
know.
Yeah, we share a lot.
We don't care.
Whoa!
Share spouses.
Too much
Food, that
information.
Huh?
Food, that's it.
Hey, what's this? Fire alarm thing?
Yeah, that's the
Hey,
thing.
this looks like.
Show's on.
Yeah, dinner's ready. Yeah.
Oh, it's like
Find me.
Waldo.
Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo?
I'm on the next page.
Oh, look.
Let's see. Look it
Oh,
up.
so that's the
Is that your
Blairsville
wife?
witch, huh?
Right next to you?
Is that the Blairsville
That's
witch?
me.
Oh,
We found the Blairsville
That's
witch.
my wife.
when we see her, we'll ask her.
Now you guys live here?
No,
Oh, you just come through?
that's most, we come here to work free.
It's the Vogel
We don't
witch.
get no
We
pay for it.
finally found her. I mean the Blairsville witch.
Yeah.
No, we don't get no pay. We got 2 raises last week. 2 raises up and down.
Back to where you started from. Nothing. That's pretty neat.
But we enjoy it.
It is nice. Oh, it's getting dark in here.
But
Move on.
if you want,
Appalachian Trail?
Yep.
Cool.
Did you kill that bee?
Just keep walking. Don't worry.
Oh no, you didn't kill it.
Just keep walking. We're all over the place. No, there's bees everywhere. Just keep walking.
I don't want to go.
They're right there. Come on.
It's alright. You guys go all that far.
Look what's in here.
What?
There's cliffs in here.
Cliffs?
Because they tell you you're not allowed to do rock climbing on the cliffs in here.
Oh, cool, man.
I don't know where they are, but they're here.
They're probably around here somewhere. Look how clear the water is. Yep. You just got back from Troy and Wanda. Explain, Larry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, he gave us soles to the bottom of shoes. And we just cut one. That sounds fun. We put it into the fire and started the fire right up. Look at that. Isn't
You
that
have
pretty?
to have a fire. It's only 50 some odd degrees. It's cold.
Maureen's in the kitchen
Making
cooking.
hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa.
Cocoa!
Isn't that a pretty fire?
Turn up the rock and roll.
Larry's tired. Little freak. Oh, sees a big foot.
I'm not tired.
See a big foot. There you go. Much better.
It's not a foot.
Hey, Larry. Do your little dance.
Like gopher dance?
Yeah.
Do a gopher dance.
Do it for Sean.
Come on. That's half. Come on,
Do
baby.
the rest of it.
That's the whole dance.
Do
That's
the
all I
rest of
remember.
it.
Touch yourself, Larry.
Touch myself.
Oh no, he's smiling again. There it is.
I can't touch myself.
Right, Maureen?
Look at the fire going now.
Look at the fire going now.
Come on, Larry, do it.
I did it. I did the gopher dance.
He did part of it. There was kids watching this tape.
Take a picture of the pumpkin Maureen made.
Yeah, take a picture of the pumpkins. Zoom in.
Maureen wants something from Larry. Can you figure it out?
That's the centerpiece.
It's an anatomically correct pumpkin.
Looks like he gets like his own.
Oh man.
Just call us over there.
What?
I think I gotta go to the doctor. I don't know what's wrong.
What's the matter?
I got.
Oh God.
I haven't been feeling the same lately.
Oh
Ever
God.
since we went to the pumpkin patch.
Look what your husband's doing with my pumpkin.
He's a nutty.
Oh my god. You need help.
Do I?
About 10 to 11.
Huh?
It's 10 to 11. Have a good night.
Really?
From the Lucha and Dazzle Cabin. Ooh. Night. It's 12 o'clock. Larry, we're headed up the mountain. Today, October 6th.
Let's go catch us some bear.
Here we go. Time to film a bear. Maureen, she'll forget. Jill, not gonna have a good day. Larry, he's a little freaky. Me?
Enough said.
I'm just a hillbilly. Enough said. Here we go. We're about to enter the trail. Ta-da! Looking for the little Blairsville witch. And it begins. And we start.
Follow the green lines on those trees. I
So you
think
agree?
it'll change to white and that will take you to Bear Head again.
Oh yeah, there's that sign up there that walks off.
Yeah, it forks off and then you go to Bear Head.
This is cool. How are you? Cold.
My nose is cold.
What do you think the temperature is?
20.
20?
Not 20. Probably about 65 right now.
What does it say? It says, do not jump. Can you imagine if we all fall? Erosion control. That's what it says. Hello! You hear that thing echo? Probably send the rangers out now.
The one that falls all the time in the camera. Who's thinking?
She's going to trip, just a matter of time.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
Look!
Where are we? I don't know, we're lost.
Oh my God!
Somewhere in Blairsville. Up Blood Mountain.
Blood Mountain. Cool name. You think?
That trunk, it looks like
Hmm?
a devil. Jill's walking stick?
Lives in there.
The dumb.
Look, a tree fell. So when this tree fell, do you think anybody heard it?
Yeah, the guy crushed underneath it.
Hello.
Or
oh my father would love that.
oh my God, what was that?
What is that?
Feels like we're being watched.
Whoa, you know.
Is that what it is?
See him?
No.
Yeah. Look at that big fat tree there in front of him? Yeah. All the way at the bottom, he's sitting on the ground. At the base of the tree on the right hand side of it. You can't see it from there, you gotta come here. Now you look at the bottom. What's going on with the tree?
How was that?
Look at it. Good branch come off.
See those? These are chestnuts.
Behind the porcupine thingies.
We're on our way to this trail lake. Goes around the lake. Look at the dogs. A little windy today. It's chillier too. Think? Whack, whack,
Over by the water. It's right
whack, whack. Chase the duck, chase the duck, chase the duck. I'll get you, my little ducky. Isn't it beautiful? Now there's no wind. I've got to look at the temperature.
Cold.
My wife says it's cold. Look at the beautiful colors in the trees.
Wood thing.
Oh, that's where they have the story time.
Oh, the
When we
pavilion.
were here,
type of
yeah,
thing.
when we hit 3 years ago, they had like the fog dances there and stuff like that. Because they have more benches over here, you can see them in the front areas all open.
Oh yeah.
So every time they do something
Good
different.
action shot. I liked it. I got the 2U point thing. Looking over there. I got Tommy filming.
This is a good shot right where I'm sitting. See how, because this tree frames in the mountain.
That's why I took over there because that tree was.
Yep.
Beautiful. Hey,
Look at the beautiful colors.
this way. This is a really, really good shot. Right?
Look at the.
Can you feel my hand here?
Beautiful colors. What a pretty mountain. What a beautiful view. Feel like you're on top of the world.
Yeah, how about you guys stand right here? We'll get that background.
That's beautiful.
What do you think?
Tom, want to take a picture?
Wow. Yeah, it's nice.
I don't know if I actually get to stand on it.
Want to try crossing?
Huh?
Want to try crossing over?
Crazy? You couldn't even take your shoes off.
Oh!
Oh!
He's gonna fall on his butt in the water.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. See you later from Vogel State Park. We're headed back to the restaurant called Papa's for lunch now. So we'll see you all later. Is it cold?
No, not really.
No?
See, the Appalachian Trail crosses over the road right here.
This is an outpost on the Appalachian Trail. This is outpost number, who knows? Who knows? But they have a lot of supplies in here.
This way, when you get over here, it's really cool.
Yeah, when that's the brightest.
Wow. This was a lot of hiking there, huh?
Mine, me would kill me.
Give you a thrill.
No, I'm taking it. I'm too dirty.
It's only 1,700 miles. Well, let's make a good picture of that thing right here. Take a picture of these now so come back.
Look at this tree, awesome. That's some cool trees, man.
Okay, wait 5 seconds.
It'll pass. Look at that, the shadow took some of the color in it.
Beautiful.
There's Maureen. The guys are playing Goonie Golf, and we're gonna build our own fire because they won't help us. Right, Mo?
That's right.
Okay, we gotta go. We'll see you when we're finished. Ciao. There's Maureen. And there's our first fire. Look, we did it. Our own little selves. See? We did it all by ourselves. Who needs the men? We got each other.
Oh my god. Look at all the smoke.
Uh-oh. We got a fire going. Bye.
Okay.
Hey, Jill.
Howdy. We gotta get the fire going. We got the paper going, but up the wood's catching fire now.
Look at that.
The wood is officially on fire.
Jill and I did it all by ourselves.
I was doing lonesomes without any men.
You go, girl.
We go, girl. It's glowing. It's on its way out. We gotta relight it.
All right. Be back after you relight it.
Oh, I heard something midnight.
Oh, there it goes. All right.
Screw the men. Need no men. None.
That's right. No men.
Nada. Okay, let's clean up.
Okay, it's 7:31 and we're getting ready for tomorrow's trip, going down the river. Everybody's getting ready. See, me and Larry. Ready to go. Larry?
Ready to go?
Maureen? She's getting ready. And you? She's getting ready. Alright. So we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, have a good night.
On the way to the White Water Raft. It's foggy.
Alright, thank you. To the left, can't see nothing.
She's a lovely lady.
Yeah, hey, can't see nothing. Not even a cow on the road.
It's 9:37. And we're going whitewater rafting. Can you tell?
See how thrilled I am?
Jill's having a wonderful day. Maureen's blowing smoke.
Oh, look at us.
We are the only crazy ones going out there in 20 degree below zero temperature, and the water's just about freezing cold. The tour guide doesn't want to
we
go.
had to sign a waiver. I'm nervous.
Maureen!
And helmets. Helmets should tell you something.
And vests. When
They're-
we went on the Delaware, we didn't have to wear these.
Oh,
You have vests.
this is rough water
You
here.
have vests, I believe.
You wear wet
Got any guy
vests
tips?
everywhere.
Yeah. Don't go!
Dude, this is fun.
Cold, baby?
I'm freezing.
Alright, we'll see you on the river.
Look, this
Die!
What do you mean we're gonna die?
we're gonna die.
Get your big nose out of that thing. Holy mackerel. Here we go, folks. We're ready, baby.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, get wet. There you go.
My ass is gold. What do you think, Maureen? Maureen! How you doing, baby?
Okay, babe.
It's gonna be a little bumpy through here. Here we go. All right, yeah. Hold on. Get up, get up.
Oh, shit! Oh, my God! What do you think?
I'm exhausted.
It's the end of the tape coming up.
Let's go, man. We gotta go back up, do it one more time. This time, put some ass into it.
That's our guy, Adam. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Y'all are a good group.
All right, that
Y'all
was
got
cool.
the show right today. Yeah, that was a great ride, man.
All right, see you later.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Peace out.
We made it. We survived. Now we're all soaking wet. Look.
I'm home and taking a shower.
All right.
Happy anniversary, Bo.
Happy anniversary, guys.
We can't do nothing normal. Not what they normal people go out for dinner, have cake. No.
We gotta.
We're gonna go down the effing rapids. Big enough for me. Oh God, my whole body's killing me. Next time I ride with you.
Let's go.
All right, Millette.
Yeah. Get the head. Gonna do it. Gonna load it up.
Yeah, I'm just getting my stuff out.
Cool.